Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make video from photos with music fast. And to do that, we will use application called Quik. Before we begin, click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and hit the bell. So let's start. First of all, you need to get application called Quik. You can find link in the description of this video. So all you have to do is click on the link, go to Google Play Store and then install Quik. After you do this, of course, you need to open this application. And once we do this, everything is super simple. First of all, we need to click in the right top corner on the settings in order to set up if we want to save our videos in HD quality or not. If we want HD quality, we should select this option. Once we already have this, we can begin creating our video. To do that, we click on the plus over here. And after clicking on the plus icon, we need to choose photos that we want to add to our video. So in order to add photos, all we have to do is just select them. And after we select the photos, we need to click over here. Right now, our video was already created. And let's move to the first thing, we will add music. In order to do that, we have to click down here on this icon. And then we can choose one of the music available in the app. We can also choose no music or no sound if we don't want any music. Or we can navigate using those arrows over here to music library, click on it. And now from the tab My Music, we can choose some music from our phone. So in order to do that, we can choose one of the musics available here. Or we can simply click on the search over here and then type the title of the song that we want to add. I'm gonna add Funshine, click on it, and then confirm in the right bottom corner by clicking on this icon over here. Once we add it, the music was analyzed by the application, the beats were analyzed, so our photos will match the beats of the music. So once we have the music set up, we can go back to the first option over here. And here we've got different styles of animations. So, for example, if we click Grammy, it will be a different style animation than action, for example. There are some different transitions. So action would be better for action sports. Laps or slides would be better for different kinds of animations or videos we want to make. So you can check out there are many different styles to choose from. For example, Serene, or mingle or dashing or any other style over here. And of course the animations, the transitions will all be matched with the music. So let's say I'm gonna choose action. Once we choose the type of the animation, we can click over here on this icon and here we can change the settings of particular photos. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here and we can rearrange it easily by dragging it to the left or to the right. Another thing we can do is click add text and then add caption or title text to this photograph. So if I want to add some text, let's say I want to add surfing, title, I click OK, and then surfing is added to this photograph as we can see. Another thing we can add or change is a layout. So if we click layout, our photograph may be stretched or fit to the frame of our video. So it depends on the photographs that we are using in our video. This could be helpful. If some of the photos are stretched, etc., we can change it over here. Another thing is over here, we can rotate our photograph if it's not set in the right way. Another thing we can change is the next one is called focus. Focus will allow us to concentrate the photograph on one part of the photo. So if there is, for example, zoom in transition, the zoom in transition would go to the place where we set this frame. So if we would like to focus the transition on the surfer, we would have to move this to the surfer. Usually it's automatically detected. Only if you don't like where it's focusing, you can change it manually. Next thing we can change is duration of the slide. So if we click duration, we can extend it to be longer, we can make it shorter, or we can make it regular. So if we want some of the slides to be shorter and some longer, we can change it over here. Next we've got remove, if we want to remove some photograph, or duplicate it if we want to duplicate a photograph. If we want to add some new photos or videos that we didn't add previously, we can simply click on the plus button on the right side. And once we do this, we will be taken to gallery, and here we can add some new photographs. Once everything here is done, we can click on the X, and once everything is set up over here, we can move to the third setting down here, and over here we can change from the left duration of the entire video. So as you can see right now it's 19 seconds, I can easily make it 33 seconds, or I can make it shorter to 9 seconds. So based on what you want with your video, you can change it to meet your needs. After that, we can click over here on the second option to change if the video should be square, for example for Instagram, or if we want it to be like a portrait style, or maybe we want it to be like a cinema-like. Then we can change them. When the music starts, we can add some filters to our video. All we have to do is click on the filter and they will be automatically added. Then we can change the font of the video, palette, so we can make it dark or bright or any different palette. It all depends on the theme that we chose in the first steps. And in the end we've got outro. We can turn on outro at the end of the video. That will show that this video was made by Quik, or we can also easily turn that watermark outro off by clicking this option. Of course it's all free, so if you don't want any outro, just click over here. And the last option is exporting our video. In order to do that, we click on this blue icon down here. And then we've got three options. We can share the link, we can send the file to someone, or we can simply save without sharing. So I would suggest clicking on the third option, and then the video is automatically saved in either 720p or 1080p if we set it up in the first step. So this is how you make a video from photos fast with an application called Quik. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this application, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.